Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger air filter, only ways. Park the car on level ground and engage the parking brake before you start. Open the hood and secure it with the prop rod. Wear gloves to keep hands clean and avoid cuts. Make sure you have a flat screwdriver or socket set ready and a new air filter sized for your model. Take a moment to clear the work area for easy access. Start by locating the air box, typically on the front passenger side of the engine bay. Look for a rectangular plastic box with a large intake hose attached. Inspect the perimeter for clips, clamps, or screws that hold the lid in place. If hoses obstruct removal, loosen their clamps so you can move them aside gently. Keep track of fasteners so reassembly is easy and quick once the new filter is in place. With the lid removed, lift the old filter straight out to avoid dropping debris into the intake. Inspect the air box and vacuum out dirt or leaves if necessary to prevent contamination. Place the new filter into the housing with the proper orientation so the seal seats evenly. Reattach the lid, tightening screws or snapping clamps until secure, and reconnect any hoses you loosened earlier to restore the intake path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.